Yes, IMD has three manual class 1 observatories. One is in Barapani Aeronautical Meteorological Station. So, and Med Center at Shillong, as well as Med Office at Sora. Apart from this, we plan to office a new Med Office at Tura and another world-class meteorological observatory and exhibition center at Mawsynram. And we will also be tying up with the state departments, especially agriculture and other line departments, to open the manual observatories in all the districts as well as block levels in the days to come. As well as there is also a mission Mosam project, which is which will be soon commence for Doppler weather radar to be installed in one location in Meghalaya, most suitable location in Meghalaya.